Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about Decentraland today, or Mana, and talk about the price. I need to tell you all some things about the current price action in Decentraland and see where price is going to go. Now, before I get started, welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I am the one that is giving you all predictive content as to where cryptocurrency prices are going to go, all without being confused. So if you guys want to join me in this journey, then I will recommend that you join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe is how you're able to follow me as I continue to lay down these price predictions without the confusion. So check this out. Did a video in Mana on July the 23rd, and you guys can see what the price action has done since then. Price literally went to the point of my horizontal line. I mean, like, come on, let's talk about this. This is very doable for you to do as well. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to determine where price is going to move. I was telling you all on July the 23rd that Mana could top out right here around $1.13, $1.13. Like, we was already there. So you all should have bagged some profits right there on that particular day. You guys can see it. That's around 14, almost 15%. And that's how high literally the price in Mana went. Since that high of August the 14th, price in Mana completely fell down. So for us to say that you cannot time the market or see where price is going to go is false. Now, is it hard to do? Yes, because there's so many unknown things that can occur while price trades. So let's get that straight. This is not like something that you can hit out the park and do multiple home runs off of. No, it's not. But you can see that it's very doable, that you can predict when to get in and when to get out. So let's talk about Mana right now. Congratulations to you if you was able to bag some profits on that move. Let's go ahead and take this away first. Well, let me bring that back. Okay, let me bring that back because you guys can tell that since July, the market in Mana has just been trading, well, in a range, right? It's been trading range bound. And these are the type of markets that you really cannot make bank off of. You really can't, because the market is not biased. It's not biased upward and it's not biased downward. It's just trading up and trading down. So if you know how to scalp the market or know how to do some intraday trading, then yes, you can still make money off of this, even though it's not moving too much. You just know your time in market is not going to be long, right? So let's go ahead and look at this on a weekly chart, since we are starting out on a new week in Mana. And I wanted to show you all this first. Is that the trend in Mana is broken. Okay, this long-term trend in Mana is now broken. So our idea should not be long-term bullish, all because of what this ascending line is dictating and showing us. That is why our focus is right here around 70 cents. My next idea is the low that came in here on May the 9th, the week of. That's going to be the next target price for us to see Mana go down to if we're anticipating weakness. Outside of this 60-cent price, the next support area is going to be around 50. So just put that in your mind. Like, ain't no one's trying to come in. No one is trying to come in and tell you that the market's going to completely crash to a nickel or a dime. But if the direction that we are clearly seeing on the chart is down, then there's nothing wrong with thinking bearish. There's nothing wrong with that. We are predictors. We're forecasters, and we predict these things so that we don't be caught off guard or knocked off our square, because our opponents, whoever is trading against us, is trying to do just that. So outside of seeing price and Mana hold this 75-cent level right now, the next target price is going to be down here around 65, then 50. All right. So currently here on the weekly chart, I really don't like the market in Mana right now. The last 4 weeks, we only had 1 week that price went up. The other weeks, price has gone down. That tells me, especially around the area of support, we needed to see more strength coming into the market. Weakness down here at support is not a good thing. We need to get prepared for price to go lower. This is what the weekly chart is trying to show us. Here is Mana on a 5-day. And again, do you see any hints that the market is really becoming bullish or that the buyers are buying up this currency right now? Do you really see that here? I don't. So then let's look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay. Do you see anything here? Like, not only is restriction or resistance at $1.15, there is also resistance right here. Okay, so we have resistance right there around 83 cents, even here at 80. Like, the buyers will have a monumental task ahead of them just to lift this price back up. Here's Mana on the 2-day. So I would say from 3 days to 2 days to the daily time frame, that yes, price is weak in Mana. It is, but it doesn't look extremely weak to where we can try to pinpoint price in Mana falling down to 50 cents. Like, I don't see that on the chart right now. Which beg to differ that we can still possibly see buyers try to hold this price in Mana on this horizontal line. We can still see that though. Now this is Mana here on the 3-hour chart. And again, by us seeing the price fell to trade above 76 cents, tells me that, yeah, the market currently is still weak. A little bit weak though. This is the monthly chart. Now from the monthly perspective, I'm definitely looking for price to go down. So I would say like in the next 30 days, October the 18th or so, we would have to get the market opportunity to move down. But this is definitely weakness right here. Okay, I don't even think the market's going to hold right here around 75 cents. So since I don't really cover Decentraland on a daily basis, I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Mana. But let me tell you that we can still see market strength in a couple of days to which price is going to go higher. Okay, so yes, let's recognize that. But give me a month for this price prediction to play out. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to go ahead and play that weakness into the market in Mana. And I've already told you where my price targets are at. Okay, outside of us seeing price continually hold this 75-cent price level, that first one, let me see, where is it at here, was around like 65 cents. That's 11.87%. And I'm going to hold as long as price in Mana trades below 85. We're going to continue to look for price to go down. Now, don't get it twisted. Let's not say that, hey, the market in Mana is not going where you said it was going to go, because I've already told you that currently I'm seeing buyers really trying to support the price in Mana right now. Okay, so my first price target is going to be 65 cents. I'm just going to hold it around 65. No, my second one's going to be at 50. Okay, so that is it. Let me extend this out. I told you, give me at least a month time to let this play out. So let's bring it over until like October the 17th. We'll hold that there, and I am in position. So we're going to continue to play some weakness into the market in Mana. Definitely on any increases in price, if I don't see the market in Mana break this to the upside 85 cents on strength, then I know that this current movement higher is not going to be long lasting. It's not going to be long. We're going to come right back down. So that is it. This is my expectation. I want you all to give me your idea as to where you think Mana is going to go. Without the confusion, as always, make sure you maintain the profitability. Trade different.